All right, so I'm going to do a quick video to show how an administrator with very minimal work can enable direct import into CyberArk identity from LastPass for federated users. Now, the core of the problem or the core challenge we face is the direct import capability, which is in the identity portal under Add, Catalog, or Imported App. And then there's an Import tab, only supports username and password credentials. So in the scenario where your users are, let's just say federated, this capability does not function, right? So how do we work around that? Thankfully, there is a quick option, and the option that we have is going into LastPass, finding the appropriate users that you would like to have them import their credentials into identity, checking the box here, and then triggering a require master password change. Now, the nice thing is you could do this for many users, so it'll lower the overall administrative burden, and the administrator never needs to see these privileged credentials, right? So we're basically triggering the end user, letting them know that they need to change their master password. Now, once I select this, there's a notification that says the selected users will be required to change their credential. And if I switch over to my user view and to that inbox, I can see that there's a LastPass notification telling me that my master password needs to be set. So if I come in here, go ahead and log out. When I log back in, it's going to see that I'm already federated, so it's going to take me right in, but I am being told that I need to set a master password. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this now, and I'll go ahead and save that credential. At this point, my user now has a master password, right? So if I come back into the administrator portal, what we'll see is originally my user was set to federated because I was federating in through Entra. If I do a refresh here, this user is now going to show as not federated. So that shows that that master password reset basically takes away that federation. This user can now log in directly using a username and password. If I switch back to the user view, look at the email again, I get a notification that the master password was changed as expected. And the next step I'll do is let's make sure that master password actually works. So coming back in, I can go ahead and put in my credentials for my previously federated user. And you'll notice that I can now enter a master password and log in. Once this is done, the user can actually go ahead and perform their input or their onboarding of credentials. Pretty simple. So I have two credentials here within LastPass. I'm going to go back into my user portal for CyberArk Identity, go back to the catalog option. Once this loads, I'll choose the tab for direct import or import, select direct, put in that LastPass username, and put in that password or that master password that I set. Now, once I trigger this, there we go. So once this is done, it's very easy to trigger the import or to trigger me and set me back to federated. So I'm done. It says 2 accounts have been onboarded. It says this may take a few moments. So we'll come back in a minute and take a look. We're going to look specifically for that Amazon account and that Facebook account. Do note, I already have a Facebook account here, so there should be a duplicate once we come back. But if I want to place that user back into federated status, all I have to do is come back into the admin portal, check this box, go to more actions, and enable federated login. What that's going to tell me is federated login has been enabled for that user. The user is going to get another email notification telling them that federated login is configured. If I go back into LastPass and I log out, and I log back in, again, I use my master password. After that, it prompts me for that master password one more time. And this is now going to set me up for federated login again. So it decrypts and re-encrypts my data. And at the end of the day, it shows that my federated account is all set. If I hit login here, the next time I try to log in, the password box goes away and I use Federation. The Federation is all good. Brings me right into my LastPass account. So just like that, we can allow a user to stop being federated for a short period of time, onboard their credentials into CyberArk Identity, and then we can refederate them if we like. Now, coming back in here, the user does get another notification saying that their LastPass or their master password has been reset. This is just the notification that they've now been federated. If I switch back to the admin view, you'll notice it says selected here because I did enable federation. If I do a refresh, it now says federated again. So this user is all back to normal. And as the last step, let's check and see if those credentials were onboarded. So I'll just come back to identity. I will do a refresh and we'll check a couple of them out. I think there was two. There was one that was an Amazon credential and one that was a Facebook credential. So I see Amazon here with no icon. If I take a look at the settings, we can see it has the example username, fake password, some notes, a folder that it was pulled in. Similarly, if I go to Facebook over here, this is the one that was already present, remember, you'll see the exact same behavior. And what I've just shown you is the ability to import credentials directly using the direct import with federated users.